Hi friends, this is Bose and welcome back to one more unboxing video from Before You Buy. So today we have with us the Mivi Roam 2. I got this from Flipkart at 999. So without wasting any more time, let's open it up and see what all do we get. Without wasting any more time, let's tear it up with my unboxing knife. So here we have the product itself, the Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker. So I have the black variant. It also comes with one more variant, the red one. So as you can see, it has super solid bass with powerful drivers, premium build with metallic grills. You can pair two Roam speakers for double sound, portable and easy to carry, water and dust proof, 24 hours of playtime at mid volume though. So that I'll definitely put to test. It comes with a 2000 mAh large battery, and the best part is it is made in India. So let's tear up the plastic cover and see what's inside. So here we see another Mivi logo with the tagline, push the limits. So here we have a thin plastic to take it up, and as we can see the speaker itself. So let's see what all comes with this. So we see one documentation. So here is the registration guide for the warranty. I'll keep it aside. The color combination is really nice. Let's open it up. Okay, so we have some kind of a note here. Looks really nice. Let's keep it aside. And this is a welcome note from the Mivi co-founders. And this is a user manual. So we'll keep it aside, and now let's jump into the product. So here we have the speaker itself. It looks pretty nice. It's a little heavy but handy to hold with minimalistic designs. Here we see 4 buttons to the top. One is the volume controller, the play button, and this should be the power button. Also, we have a holder to hold the device like this. It's really nice and easy to carry. And we have the aux functionality here and the USB for charging. As you can see, we can insert an aux cable, and this is for the USB charge. This is for charging the device. So inside the box, we also do get a charging wire with the Mivi logo and an aux cable 3.5 to 3.5, so that you can directly play your audio from the phone to the device itself. One thing which I noticed is the wires provided are pretty cheap quality, but I guess at the $999 price point we can live with that. Let's power up the device and connect it to the phone and see how it fares with respect to sound.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
So I've paired it up. Let's hear some audio. Its in-house M1 chip. There has been a buzz among users. This is the 50% volume. Let's go to 100% volume and see how it fares. So we thought, why not talk about it and clear the air on how both perform and which one should you go for. The bass is actually nice. So guys, let's talk about the similarities first. Though I can hear some distortions, when it comes to 100% volume.
Both
Did you feel the same?
M1 MacBook
Let me know
and
in the comment
M1
section
MacBook
below.
Feature.
When connected to your phone, you can use the speaker to answer or reject calls. For rejecting call, you need to press the play button and hold it for 1 second and it will reject the call. So you also have the option to redial the last number. For that, you need to hold the play button and tap it twice. And you also have the voice assistant functionality in this. So for that, you just need to hold the play button for more than 1 second and it should activate the voice assistant on your phone. So friends, to conclude, at this price point, the Mivi Roam 2 does justice to every penny spent on it. The sole reason why I chose the Mivi Roam 2 over its competition is because of its easiness to carry. As you can see, it fits to your palm, and since I travel a lot and there's always a space crunch, so carrying it into your backpack will be a lot easier. As you can see, it would fit into your backpack and you won't even notice. So if you're a traveler like me, I would definitely suggest you can go for this option. In addition to this, the Mivi Roam 2 comes with a 2000 mAh battery and can go up to 24 hours on a single charge when playing music on a mid volume. That is really good when you are on the go. Talking about sound, the Mivi Roam 2 comes with a 5-watt HD surround sound and it is pretty loud, and the bass is also nice. It did exceed my expectation, to be honest. Also, it supports call facility, so you can take calls through it when connected to your phone, and it does support Google Assistant and Siri by long pressing on the play button for more than 1 second. Last but not the least, this is also drop proof, waterproof and dust proof. So taking it to your treks should not be a problem. I'll definitely give it a try. This brings an end to one more unboxing video from Before You Buy. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and show your love. We'll be back with more unboxing videos next. Till then, stay healthy, safe and glued to Before You Buy. Sayonara, sayonara.